Hi, Angela. My name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you spoke with my partner and husband, Rob, on Facebook. So, as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in, and that's something you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips I'll give you and put them into action. The only thing I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was helpful. But the three things we're going to be going over will be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content, and I do have your Facebook page here. And Facebook is a very powerful tool. There is no doubt about it. But typically the first place that people are going to go when they're looking for services is going to be Google. And when they get their search results, they usually want to have a website to click on so they can learn more about your company and the services that you offer. So just in the interest of speaking about content, I did just pull up one of the competitor sites here, and content would be considered anything you can see here. It does include the words, but also the pictures and what the pictures are saved as. And Google wants to see 1,500 words on the homepage of a website. But within those 1,500 words, that gives you the opportunity to be able to integrate in keywords that people are searching when they're looking for your services. So if it's not something that's already in the works for you all, my first suggestion would absolutely be to get a website. Not only does it serve as a digital business card for you, but it truly is the first step in getting ranked on Google. So that is the only tip that I have for you there. Let's go back to the search results and we'll move on to the next thing, which is citations. And typically when you search for something, this is the first thing you'll see. This is called the map pack, and citations have a lot to do with that. So a citation is basically your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And when I say directory, I mean things like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, Yellow Pages, really anywhere else that will allow a business to enter those details. So you would want to check out where your competition is being listed, and you want to grab those listings for your business. But then you want to double, triple, quadruple where you're found. So for instance, if your top competitor has 10 directory listings, you want to grab those 10 and then you want to add another 20, 30, 40. That's going to have you completely dominating them in that space, but it does also help you to rank high on the maps here. So next up is backlinks, and backlinks have a lot to do with this section. This is called the organic section, and the way backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your site, and it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say that you did some cleaning for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided they're going to take a link from their site and push one back to yours. But their link is going to be all about ice cream, so it's not going to be very helpful for you. You would want to get links from other cleaning companies that send something back to your site, and that will signal to Google that that is the industry that you're in. And because of that, it's going to be a lot more unique and a lot more powerful in Google's eyes. And this is a tool that I use just so I can give you a visual representation. So this is the website that we did just look at, and it's showing currently that site has 3 referring domains, which are giving it 207 backlinks, getting them found for 50 keywords, but all of that is still only driving about 12 people to their site per month. But let's take a look at the keywords that they're using here so we can kind of get some ideas. Let's see here. So we're looking for buyer intent keywords. That's anything that someone would think to actually type into the search bar. So here's a great one, maid service, Durham, NC. So that's a great one because it's listing the service or industry, but it's also listing the specific location that this company is trying to target. And it looks like they're trying to target several different locations. These are great keywords as well. And you can do that. You can certainly target multiple different locations. You just want to make sure that whatever location you're targeting is within your service area. That way, when someone comes across you in the search results, they'll be able to actually use your services because you are close enough to them as well. And I will not bore you and have us go through all of these keywords, but I do hope that at least kind of gives you an idea of the types of things that you would want to integrate into content if and when you do decide to get a website. And truly, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places they are. But as we spoke about earlier as well, also making sure that you're always adding on to that. That way you are far surpassing your competition, because that is the kind of thing that will get you on that first page of Google. But that's all that I have for you today, Angela. I do hope that this video was helpful. And if you'd like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please contact us. We would love to talk to you. But thanks again for your time, and you have a fantastic rest of your day.